So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Safepal to bank account. In order to withdraw funds to your bank account, you must first convert your crypto to fiat currency. So in order to do that, you can just open up your Safepal account, go to your wallet. So first method would be if you already have a Fiat24 bank account linked to your Safepal app. You can withdraw directly. So just go to the bank tab on your home page, which should be around here. So within your wallet, you can see some different options. So if you have that Fiat bank account linked, you can then just click on the option to receive, or in this case to withdraw. So once you're there, you can go to your MasterCard homepage and select the transfer tab. And once you've done that, you can choose the payout, enter the amount, and choose your specific currency. So it needs to be at least 10 or whatever you want to get. So USD, EUR, or maybe even CHF. So francs, dollars, euros, whatever you want to do. If you're not using a bank, you can transfer to a centralized exchange. So choose to send crypto. Click on here. Once you have some sort of crypto you want to send, paste the copied address, ensure your selected blockchain network, so something like TRC20, sell to fiat, and after that, once you've sold to fiat, you can exchange it and withdraw it through your bank. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safepal or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.